Hi, hello. Today I have this very dramatic, bold eye look. It's a recreation by Laura Ellis on Instagram. Let me just get her up. It is this makeup look here. She is absolutely stunning. She is an amazing makeup artist. She does mainly looks on other people, or all looks on other people, so she is a makeup artist. So yeah, go check her Instagram out. I will link it down below, and I will link every product that I use in this video down in the description box below, so it's easier for you to get. Yeah, if you want to see how I recreated this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so this is the eye look. I'm going to be doing a look inspired by, what's her name? Laura Ellis makeup on Instagram. She is such an amazing makeup artist, such stunning work. And yeah, I'm going to be doing that eye on this one, obviously. To start off with, I'm going to be, of course, using the Bperfect Carnival palette by Stacey Marie. Stunning palette, absolutely love it. I'm going to be using the blues and the greens today. To start off with, I'm going to do the base. So I'm going to be using the P. Louise base in 0. I'm just going to put that on the back of my hand. And I'm just going to first carve out my eyebrows with a flat brush. I'm just taking that on the whole lid. Okay, so then the first shade we're going to go into is the shade Mood, which is this dark blue here. And I'm just going to take that on a Morphe M507 brush, and I'm going to pat this on in the crease, really build this colour up. I'm going to go into the shade Envy, which is a nice dark green shade. I'm just going in with the same brush but wiping off the blue, and then I'm just going to go right above that blue. Really taking the time to blend the shades. And then the last colour I'm going to go in with is this mint green shade called Mint. And I'm taking that on a blank canvas E10 brush, and again just going right above that green shade. These shades blend so nicely together, love it. So then I'm going to just go back into that darker green and blend again, just to make sure everything is blended seamlessly, like so. Now I'm going to get the P. Louise base again, a little dab of that back on my hand. I'm just going to make a like halo spotlight, not making a cut crease. Then I'm going to go into the mint green shade again, but I'm taking the Morphe M451, which is a flat brush, and really pack this on. I'm going to go back into the dark green and blend them edges out. Okay, so that is pretty much it for the eyelids. Hopefully it looks good. I really like it. I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to leave the white at the top because I quite like that. Now I'm going to be using the Colourpop cream gel colour to put a little bit of black on the waterline. And then I'm going to take the Makeup Geek Full Spectrum eye pencil in mint, but any mint any mint eyeliner, and I'm going to put that in the waterline. Love that. Okay, so then for lashes, I'm going to be using these peachy lashes. These are the Peaches and Cream lashes. I will link them down below. I do have a code which is LizRose10 for 10% off. They are very full and dramatic lashes. I'm just going to apply the glue, and then I'm going to curl my eyelashes, and I'm going to apply some Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara just to the upper lashes, of course. Okay, so I am happy with this. Okay, so I'm going to zoom out. Okay, so for primer today, I'm going to be using the NYX Honey Do Me Up primer. Running. Okay, you can stop now. I like the smell of this. It smells really nice. Okay, so I'm just going to take a dual fibre brush and blend that in. Okay, so then for foundation today, I'm going to be taking two. I'm going to take in both L'Oreal, the Infallible Pro Glow and the Infallible Total Cover. Oh, I need to shake these. I haven't used both of these in a while, so I thought I'd mix it up a bit and use these. This one sounds really weird. I want to be full coverage today. Was it paint? Okay, so then I'm going to just blend that out first with a Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. I actually haven't wet my beauty blender, so I need to do that. Ooh, this actually looks quite nice. Okay, so then I'm going to blend that out with a sponge just to get rid of any excess product. Okay, so then for concealer today, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Super Coverage Concealer. This is in the shade Swan. I believe it's the lightest shade. Quite a yellow shade. Okay, so I'm going to blend that out with a sponge. I'm actually loving these foundations together. Oh, lovely. Love it when a good base comes together. Okay, so then for powder, I'm going to be taking the RCMA No Colour Powder. Really like this. So I like using a brush for under the eyes. And then I'm going to take a big brush. Shouldn't have wore a black jumper, but oh well. Okay, so next I'm going to take this MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Medium Dark. It's a bronzer shade. I'm going to be taking this on Morphe M527 brush. Okay, so to do the bake, I'm gonna take the brush and now I'm gonna do blush. So the blush I'm gonna go in with is the Benefit Dandelion blush. This is a little mini. It's just a really nice, like, subtle pink shade. I don't want anything too dramatic because the eyes are very dramatic on their own. I think this has a little bit of shimmer in there as well, so that will be nice because the eyes are quite matte. It's actually quite pigmented. Ooh, I love that. Ooh, lovely. Really nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna literally just brush this off now because I don't want it to sit for too long. Now I'm gonna set my face. Shaky, shaky, shake. I'm going to be setting my face with the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day setting spray. I used to use this a lot when I used to go clubbing a lot. I have the shade, I have the scent Peach. Oh my god, that smell reminds me of going out. Lol. Okay, it's made my face a little bit blotchy. Love these eyelashes. They're so bold. So for highlight, I'm going to go in with the Sleek Makeup highlighting palette in Solstice. And you all know I'm just going to go in with the lightest shade because I want a blinding highlight. Oh yeah. Yes, please. Okay, so now I'm going to do the lower lash line. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I'm going to take first the blue shade. No, actually. First I'm going to go in with the mint shade and I'm going to blend this right under my eye and really smoke this shade out and go in right into the inner corner. And then I'm going to go in with the darker green, which is called Envy. And then lastly, I'm going to take the blue shade, but I'm only going to be putting this on the outer part of the lower lash line, just to blend it in with the lower lash line. For the inner corner, I'm going to take Moony, which is this nice bright shimmery, it's like got a hint of yellow in it. And I'm going to put that in the inner corner. Okay, so it's a little bit yellow for my liking, so I'm going to take the Solstice palette and take the shade that we put on the face and hope for the best. I'm going to do the lower lash line, the lower lashes, I'm just using the mascara. So then for lips, I'm going to be taking the Colourpop Lippy Pencil in the shade BFF. Then I'm going to be taking the Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Virgin. This is the old packaging. Morphe has come out with new, nicer packaging, but okay, so I'm going to go off camera, let this dry, and I'm going to do my eyebrows because I completely forgot about them. Okay, so lastly I'm going to put gloss on. So again, I'm going to take a Morphe product. This is the Morphe Lip Gloss in the shade Chill. It's a very nude gloss. This is their new packaging. It is stunning. I haven't tried this out yet, actually. It's quite a thick gloss and it's quite warm, but I like it. Okay, so this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more looks like this one and recreations. Make sure you thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. Please share with your friends, family this video. I know most of my family watches this and Connor's family. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to subscribe and like so I know that you liked it. And yeah, I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.